Hi everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to crochet this beautiful pattern. To begin, make a slip knot and start chaining, and your chains should be a multiple of 3 plus 2 chains. For example, if you have 6 chains, add 2 more chains at the end to have 8 chains, or if you have 9 chains, add 2 more chains to have 11 chains at the end. I made 30 chains to demonstrate. Now add 2 more chains as I told you, and start crocheting the rest. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You can make it in the upper loop or back loop. It depends on your project. I want to demonstrate, so I crochet in the back loop. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains, make a single crochet into the third one. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains and make a single crochet into the third one, and repeat the process to the end of the row. This is how it looks like at the end of row 1. Row 2, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. This is the first double crochet. Make another double crochet as usual into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull it out, yarn over, pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2. Skip the next 2 chains, make 3 double crochets into the next single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 chains, make 3 double crochets into the next single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 2 chains, make 3 double crochets into the next single crochet, and repeat the process to the end. At the end, make 2 double crochets into the last stitch, just like the beginning of this row. This is the end of row 2, and this is how it looks like. Row 3, turn your project and make a single crochet into the very first stitch. If you couldn't find it, pull it out a little bit and insert your hook into the stitch, and then pull it tight to have a small little loop. Make a single crochet, chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the next. Again, chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, make a single crochet into the next. Chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the next, and repeat the process to the end. At the end, skip the next 2 stitches and make a single crochet into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet was our first double crochet of row 2, and it was 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. So make your last stitch into that second chain. It was our first single crochet, the first chain, the second chain. Make your last single crochet into both loops of that second chain to have a nice and clean project. This is the end of row 3, and from here, repeat row 2 and 3 to have your desired length. This is how it looks like at the end. Hope you like this tutorial, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.